Why men are not interested in dating anymore. It's no secret that dating is hard. It's an art, a science, and sometimes just a numbers game. But with more people turning to online dating in their search for love, there has been a rise in complaints about the quality of matches being brought to the table. So why are men no longer interested in dating? Here are some of the most common reasons. 1. They don't want to deal with the drama and headaches that come with dating. A lot of men have been burned by women before, and they don't want to go through that again. 2. They have trust issues and are afraid that if they get into another relationship, she will take advantage of them or hurt them emotionally or physically. 3. They feel like they have nothing in common with women anymore because all women want is money or fame from them, not their love or attention. 4. Men don't want to be accused of harassment or assault, just because a woman was rejected by him or felt rejected by him for any reason. 5. Men are tired of playing games, tired of being dragged around, and tired of being lied to. They don't want to lead a girl on just to get her into bed. Men are tired of making an effort only to have it thrown back in their faces by a woman who meets another man and abandons him for someone new. 6. Men do not want anything serious with a woman because they know that she will cheat on them or leave them eventually. They don't want to be used and abused by women who think that they can get away with anything because they are women. 7. Men do not want to date someone who is insecure or needy either. Men want a woman who is confident in herself and her life. Men want a woman whom they can take care of and protect. When a woman tries too hard to make herself look good, she often comes across as fake, which is another turnoff for men. 8. Men have been conditioned to believe that women want a man who is successful, attractive and has a good job. In other words, the man must be able to provide for her. This means that if you don't have a good job or if you are not successful, then you will have difficulty finding women who will date you. 9. Women have become too aggressive with men. Women have always been aggressive when it comes to dating, but it seems like it has gotten worse over the past few years. This is one of the main reasons why men are not interested in dating anymore, because they do not want to deal with women who are aggressive and pushy all of the time. 10. Men do not want to date someone who is mad at them for no reason. Men want to be with a woman who is happy, carefree and open-minded. Women who are negative and angry turn men off completely.